Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I'm back. I'm back with the CVS deals for this week, the week of November 28th through December 4th. And we're going to do some laundry deals. We're definitely going to do the spend 30, get 10 back. We're going to get some free greeting cards. We're going to get some stocking stuffers and some Christmas gifts because it's that time of the year and it's time to save on those gifts. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit that bell so that you get notified every time I put a new video up. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you like this video. Say hello in the comments. Let me know what deals you plan on doing. Or if you've already done any of the deals, let me know. Maybe I missed something. You know, we can all help each other save. In the meantime, get your phones out. Get some paper and pencil out to take some notes. And let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so I had to move my products that I wanted to buy to another section in the store because the music is blaring. So these are the LA Color gift sets. They are advertised in the paper and they are $9.99 each. But when you buy one, you get back an $8 extra buck. The limit is 3. So guys, these are great for stocking stuffers and cute little gifts. So let me show you the 3 that I got. So I got well, let's start with this one. This is the LA Colors limited edition. It's 12 days of makeup surprises, and it has lip gloss in it, eyeliner, eyeshadow, eyeshadow powder, blush, all kind of things. You can see right down here it has nail polish, 1 nail polish, 2 squeeze lip glosses, two lip glosses, a lip balm, a loose eyeshadow powder, an eyeliner, pencil, and an eyeshadow palette. So this is really nice, and that's $9.99. You buy one, you get $8 back in bonus cash. So that's like paying $1.99 for it. And then I got this palette. Oh, you guys know I always drop stuff. Never fails, right? Okay, so this is the LA Colors 42 color eyeshadow fiesta. And guys, look at those fabulous colors. I mean, lots of glitter. Just imagine giving this to a teenager for Christmas. Oh my gosh, she would love this. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. And then I have this, which is the nail polish. So you get 16 different color nail polishes. Look at those colors with a lot of glitter and things too. So all of these are $9.99. You buy one, you get $8 in in extra bucks. So that's like paying $1.99 for a gift. So I'm going to go ahead and grab these. But guys, to lower your out of pocket and make these absolutely free, I actually have a $6 off 30 any cosmetics CRT. So if you have that, use any of your cosmetics CRTs that say any cosmetics to lower your out of pocket. So between this CRT and the extra bucks, these 3 things are going to be absolutely free for me. So I'm going to go ahead and add these to my cart. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is on the Conair products. It is an advertised special where they are on sale for $15, and when you buy one, you get a $10 extra buck. The limit is 1 that you can do this deal. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab this and get my $10 extra bucks. So this is going to be like $5 for a flat iron, a Conair flat iron. Guys, that's a really good deal too. Again, this is a great deal for Christmas, stocking stuffer, grab that gift or whatever. Now, some people have like 25% off of an appliance, hair appliance, and things like that. If you have any of those CRTs, make sure you use those. That will bring your out of pocket even lower and could possibly make this a money maker for you. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be to spend 30, get $10 back. And there's all kind of things included in this deal. Actually, let me show you the ad. There is laundry detergent, there's paper towels, toilet paper. You can see on the front of the ad, there's also like Christmas decorations and lights. but I'm going to get what I need for my household, especially since I see that a lot of the stores are getting low on detergent and toilet paper. So I'm going to go ahead and get what I need for my family. So typically this isn't like a super great deal that I do, but it's still going to come out good for me, especially since they're essential products. So I'm going to grab this Charmin. That Charmin is 8 for $32. That is on sale this week for $9.99. Now, the reason I'm grabbing that Charmin because it is part of the spend 30 get 10, but then I'm going to use this $1 off Charmin coupon that was in last month's P&G. Now you see it did expire on 11/13. I think I'm too late for that, so I can't use that because 14 days would have been the 27th. Okay, well, we're not going to worry about that coupon. One may have come out in the new P&G. I didn't get my P&G yet, so I'm fine with that. But what I am going to use, I have 2 CRTs, two $3 off any Charmin 6-count CRTs. So I had one that came last week. I saved it, and then I got one today. So I'm going to use these together. So that'll be $6 off $9.99. So really, I'll only be paying $3.99 for that toilet paper. Plus, I'm going to get my $10 extra bucks when I add in the Tide. So the Tides are $11.94, and I'm going to use 2 $3 off coupons for those. So that'll bring each one of those down to $8.99. So I'm well over my $30, but then, so I'm going to get my $10 in extra bucks back. But then I'm going to add in this Colgate toothpaste. I'm going to get 2 of those. They are on sale, 2 for $7.98. And in every one CVS app, they got a digital manufacturer coupon for $7.98 off of 2 Colgates. And the reason I'm adding all of this in is because I have a 4 off 40 purchase-based coupon. So then that will bring me a little over my $40, which is going to lower my out-of-pocket. Okay, so the first receipt we're going to go over is with the LA Colors makeup. You can see they were all $9.99. And I used my $6 off 20 off of 30 CRT. And then I used all my extra bucks. I used like $20 in extra bucks. And then I paid $4 out of pocket. But then I got back $24 in extra bucks. So between the $4 I paid out of my pocket and the $20 I paid in extra bucks comes to $24. I got $24 back. So that makes these gift sets absolutely free. Okay, so next is the Conair flat iron that we purchased. You can see it's $26, but then it was on sale for $15. And I used, so it came to $15, and that's what I paid out of pocket. And then I got back a $10 extra buck, so that means I paid $5 for this flat iron. Great deal. And here's our next transaction. It's actually a surprise on here that I forgot to tell you guys about. So, excuse me. So there we have the Colgate toothpaste. Both of them, 2 for $7.98. And then the 2 Tides, and then the Charmin. Excuse me. Okay, so we have the 2 $3 coupons that came off for the Tide, and then the $7.98 digital coupon that came off for the Colgate, the $4 off 40 for my next purchase that I spent, and then I had the 2 $3 off Charmin CRTs, and I had then I used a $10 extra buck. So then that I paid $7.87 out of pocket, but then I got back a $10 CRT. I don't have it to show you because I rolled it. So that means that this purchase only cost me $7.87 out of pocket. That's pretty good for 2 Tides, a Charmin, and 2 things of toothpaste. Okay guys, so CVS has the deal again this week. Buy 3 Hallmark cards and get $3 back in extra bucks. So my store is stocked with tons of 99-cent cards, so that's what I grabbed. I actually grabbed 3 of the 99-cent cards. Actually I grabbed 6. I have 2 of each one of these. So the reason why I grabbed 6 is because I have 2 CRTs that say $3 off 3 Hallmark cards. So I'm going to pay for 6 at the register, and these CRTs are going to make them free, and then I'm going to get back $3 in extra bucks. So that is going to be absolutely free for me and a $3 moneymaker. Now, if you only have 1 of these CRTs, then just get 3 cards. It'll still be free for you, and you will get $3 back in bonus cash, in extra bucks, so that'd be a $3 moneymaker for you. If you don't have that CRT, still get the cards, they'll still be free. You'll pay $3 at the register, you'll get $3 back in extra bucks. Now I'm going to show you another scenario, because there is another CRT out there that can be used. Okay, so the first one was on my mom's account. She had the $3 off 3. I have 2 $4 off 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm grabbing 8 of the 99-cent Hallmark cards. I'm going to not pay anything at the register because I have those 2 CRTs. It's $8 off 8 Hallmark cards. So that's going to be absolutely free. And then I'm going to get a $3 extra buck back. So that's going to be a money maker for me. Okay, next I'm going to grab these CVS baby wipes. You can grab any of the CVS baby wipes in order to do this deal. These are $3.29. I have a $3 off CVS Health baby brand CRT. So that's going to bring these down to just 29 cents. Excellent deal for a pack of wipes. Next, we're going to throw in this CeraVe moisturizing cream. It's $5.29. I have a $5 off any CeraVe facial care, so that's going to bring this down to just 29 cents. Alrighty, so here's our receipt. You see that we got a total of 8 of the Hallmark greeting cards. They were all 99 cents. You see the 2 $4 off 8 Hallmark CRT came off. I paid 0 out of pocket, and I got back the $3 in extra bucks, so that was a $3 moneymaker. Now, our second scenario where we got the Hallmark cards, you see there are 6 Hallmark cards, and then the CeraVe cream lotion, and then the CVS baby wipes. What came off was the $5 CeraVe CRT, the 2 $3 off 3 Hallmark card CRT, and you see the second one came down to $2.94 because you don't get overage. And then the $3 off CVS Health baby, that was for the wipes. And then the Care Pass was 5 cents off of the wipes. So then I end up paying 52 cents out of pocket, but I got back a $3 extra buck for the Hallmark card. So that makes this a $2.48 moneymaker. Okay, so this is our entire haul for today. We got a total of 14 Hallmark cards, 8 in one haul, 6 in the other. The Charmin, 3 of the LA Colors makeup gift sets, a pack of baby wipes, 2 packs of Colgate toothpaste, 2 ties, a thing of CeraVe lotion, and a Conair flat iron. Guys, but unbelievable haul. We paid a total of $7.33 for everything in this haul. So actually, we only paid 29 cents for each item in this haul. Guys, that is an unbelievable haul. So guys, look through your CRTs, match them up with the weekly deals that are in the flyer, and match them up with the different coupons that you have. That way you get a low out of pocket. Thank you guys very much for watching the video. And as always, keep on saving. Until next week or later this week, keep on saving.